Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to start a business selling refreshing snacks. In this video, we will show you some of the best and most affordable snacks that you can sell during summer in the Philippines. Here's our list of the 6 refreshing and affordable summer snacks that you can sell with a 500 pesos capital. These 6 refreshing snacks are perfect to sell during the summer season. With a small capital of 500 pesos, you can make a profit ranging from 100 to 500 pesos depending on the snack you choose to sell. Thanks for watching. We hope this informative video will inspire and help you start a refreshing snacks business this summer season. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll get updates when we have new content. See you soon!